Hey guys, this is Germany2669. Welcome to a very special unboxing video today. This is the capture card that I got off of eBay, and I thought I would do a little unboxing, just like my iPod and just like my drum head. And look at my drum head already. It's already used up, but I'll keep living with it. So I got a knife and a pair of scissors, just in case. And by the way, it says Stephen Thompson, but that's not my name. That's my dad's name, because it's his eBay accounts. So let's see what we got here. Looks like a... What the hell is that sound? Oh crap, man. Sorry about that. That was my iPod. I was listening to it on the way home from school, but let's see where I can stand this. Damn, maybe I should have put it on the tripod before. Whatever. Yeah, I don't want to spend too much time looking for a place to stand this thing. I guess I'm going to see how well this thing balances without screwing it on. Or if I have a screwdriver, I can just screw it on right now. And just detach all these legs here just real quick. Alright, I think that should be better. Now let me go see if I have a screwdriver. Maybe I can screw this thing on. Screwdriver. Once my dad put it back. Damn. Oh well. Here's my little mini tripod stand. I guess this will be okay. Sorry guys, just spinning that around. Alright, now lock it in place. Come on, you little tripod. Okay, that's better. Alright, now you can see it. Alright, let's see what we got here. Looks like you gotta cut it this way. Ah! Damn it, hang on a sec. Oh, let me try this way. Alright, that's better. Okay, now I still gotta cut this. Thing. Alright, that's better. That looks like it. Finally. And then here's the little Pinnacle Studios that I have to install. Someone said that I did not need the middle one. I just need the two sides. But there it is. It's my Dazzle capture card. Anyways, I've got a video saved in my account. See how I put this thing together. So I'll watch that and I'll keep you guys up to date. Yeah.